Couchsurfing booking platform review, usage experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Couchsurfing, a platform that connects travelers with hosts offering free places to stay around the world. I've added links to the platform in the description, so make sure to check them out if you're interested in exploring Couchsurfing yourself. Couchsurfing is a unique booking platform designed for travelers who want to save money on accommodations and experience local cultures firsthand. It's not just about finding a place to stay. It's about creating meaningful connections with people from different parts of the world. The platform is perfect for solo travelers, backpackers, or anyone looking for an authentic travel experience. The main feature of Couchsurfing is its community-driven approach. As a user, you can create a profile that highlights your interests, travel experiences, and the type of places you'd like to visit. You can then search for available hosts who are offering free accommodations in the cities you're planning to visit. Hosts are also able to browse through guest profiles, creating a mutual connection before agreeing to stay. One of the standout features is the review system. Both hosts and travelers can leave feedback after each stay, which helps ensure a safe and trustworthy experience. The platform also allows users to communicate directly with hosts before finalizing any booking, which is essential for confirming details and ensuring a good fit. Couchsurfing is ideal for budget-conscious travelers who want to meet new people and experience the local culture more intimately than they would in a hotel. It also appeals to people who love the idea of socializing with fellow travelers and giving back to the community by offering a couch or spare room to others when they can. Overall, Couchsurfing is a fantastic platform for those seeking more than just a bed for the night. It's a community of like-minded travelers who are passionate about exchanging stories, culture, and experiences. If you're ready to embark on a journey of connection and adventure, check the description for the links to start using Couchsurfing today. Thanks for watching.